Hello everyone and welcome to the Star Mentoring Java Basics series. I wanted to give you a little disclaimer before you start on this series because there are a few things to keep in mind. This is the first series I created, and so there are some things that I didn't quite match up with how I would have done it if I redid this series. I might end up redoing some of these videos, and I've already redone some of them. So whenever you're looking at the videos, including this one, I want you to look in the descriptions for disclaimers and things like that. There might be some information that I might change in the future because I found out that it's confusing. I might have corrections, and it might be in the comments, it might be somewhere else. Just make sure you look around in the videos to look for those things just in case they're there because they might not be perfect. So if you ever need to, actually not if you ever need to, just please do that. That would be very helpful. Another thing, in this video series, I make a lot of references to things about GitHub code spaces and other things like that. Now, as of right now, I haven't made setup videos on anything other than code spaces, but I plan on doing that in the future, and you can use anything other than code spaces to follow this series. For example, you could use IntelliJ, you could create a Java module in Android Studio, you can use Visual Studio Code not on code spaces, or you can use code spaces, which is Visual Studio Code, but it's online. And the reason I did it online like that is because I wanted to show that you could do it online, and basically because CodeSpaces is the easiest way to do it on a Chromebook. And I might even make setup videos for those other things on how to do them on a Chromebook, but it's not going to work on every Chromebook, and there's a lot of things I'm going to have to talk about in those videos. But that's basically why I talk about CodeSpaces. It's the most accessible one, and that's what I do. In future Java series like this object-oriented one that I'm planning on creating pretty soon, I'm actually planning on doing that series in IntelliJ, but I just want to just explain that you can use whatever editor you want or whatever editor you need to use. You can follow it however you need to. Different things are different. People prefer different editors. You can use Vim. It doesn't matter. I don't know if I'll make a series on Vim, but yeah, whatever you want to use. And yeah, I hope that that was helpful. And good luck with this series. Good luck programming. Happy programming. And I hope you do well.